everyone, I'm back and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite places in Korea featuring outer from Coldwear. So hope you guys enjoy and let's start! One of my favorite places in Korea are the streets. I love the feel of it, and whichever street you are, you can easily take effortless photos for Instagram. I'm wearing ladies wool trench coat because it's versatile for any look and they're very warm. Next is shopping. I love shopping in Hongdae, especially for makeup because they have so many road shop brands. And here, I'm wearing ladies extra long jacket in black. This one will prepare you for winter in Korea because we wear padding all winter. Next one I love is cafes in Korea. They have so many aesthetic ones, especially in Hongdae and Yeonnam-dong. They have from cute to interesting ones like Harry Potter Cafe. Definitely check it out, guys. And I'm here wearing slim-fitting goose down jacket in white. This one is really easy to mix and match because it's white and it gives you a really fresh look. Also, Hongdae is famous for their thrift shopping and just clothing in general. So make sure you guys check out their boutiques here because it's generally really cute. And here I'm wearing ladies fitting goose down jacket in mints. And Coldwear has a lot of goose padding, which is good because Korea is so cold that most of our high quality padding sold here are all goose feather. So you know that they're actually really good quality. Last but not least, my favorite place is the airport. I know, it sounds so boring, but Incheon Airport has so many interesting things to do. We have movies, sauna, cafes, and also cultural activities that you can participate while you're waiting for your flight. I personally love going to the airport early and just chill there. And I love the adults 2-in-1 jacket, and I brought this to Jakarta last week, and when I came back I wore this when it was snowing in Korea and it was still really warm. That's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoy and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and check out Coldwear, and I'll see you guys next time.